In 2020, the HT-2000 is renewed yet again. In order to meet new standards and update the design, the HT-3000 succeeds the legendary HT-2000. Cleaner than ever, it retains its distinctive look, its manufacturing solidity, and now offers a door larger than ever to allow maximum appreciation of the flames. Designed and manufactured in Canada for 60 years, DROLET stoves are synonymous with strength, reliability, and security. Built with our heritage in mind, the HT-3000 lives up to our reputation. Right from the start, the HT-2000 has won over fans of wood heating. Very large, it is a stove of remarkable power, which delivers on expectations. The letters HT comes from the words high technology, a name revealing the performance of the appliance through its evolution over the last 30 years. 1990. Developed at a time when environmental concerns are not at the heart of discussions, the HT-2000 is already twice as clean as the standard in place, making it unique on the market. 1999. The HT-2000 evolves. The new cast iron door is now bigger and more solid with a larger glass surface. It is also at this time that the legs are abandoned and the famous pedestal appears. In 1999, the deluxe version is replaced by the SIBERIAN 2000, which is discontinued a few years later. 2013. The HT-2000 continues to gain popularity. To update its look, the gold moldings are replaced by silver ones in response to the changes in customer demand. 2020. Our reputation is confirmed once again with the HT-3000. Designed for true wood heating enthusiasts, DROLET, a higher heating value since 1960.